All right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to organize your files in Kali Linux PC so that everything don't get scattered everywhere. Okay, first is to take your cursor to this section, okay, where you have Home Kali. All right, click there. When you click, you will see some options. Select Open Folder. On selecting Open Folder, you may be on the home or the desktop of your Kali Linux PC. Okay, so and each of these is a folder on its own, which is meant for you to use to organize your files. If you click on desktop, you may see some files that are available in the desktop and some icons, okay, that are on the desktop. Click on recent, you see some files you recently accessed. Click on trash, you see some files you recently deleted but have not moved it automatically or permanently from your PC. Okay, so documents contain some files as well, may contain some files. It's a folder, but in all these individual folders, you can create additional folders inside, okay, to organize your files the more. Just like music is meant for you to be able to have your music inside, all right, your songs, pictures is meant for you to have pictures inside, videos is meant for you to have videos inside, and downloads is meant for you to have some files downloaded from the internet. All right. But in all these, you can regroup your files further. Okay. So let's start with documents because it contains some files already. So let's say I want to regroup different kinds of files in this document folder. Okay, maybe Word document files, Excel files, and maybe PDF files. Okay, so I don't want everything to be scattered everywhere on this major folder. What you need to do, you create a fresh folder. So I will right click here and I'll select create folder. So in this case, I can call it doc files or document files. Okay, so I will know that it just contains all my document files. So it will make it easy for me to access any file I want to access that are documents. Then after that, click on create. Okay, so this folder is now created. I can click out. Then let's say I want to create another folder where I will have only PDF files. I'll right click in an empty space and select create folder. And let's call this PDF files. Okay, PDF files. Then after that, okay, files. Then after that, I'll click on create. Thus, I have a folder that will contain only PDF files. Let's say I want to have another folder that will be adding the Excel files I have in this PC. I will right click on an empty space, select create folder. Let's call this Excel files. Okay, files. After that, click on create. So now I have different folders made for different types of files. Okay, let's start with documents. Okay, this is a doc file. So I'm going to move it to this particular folder. I'll click on it once, and once it is selected, to have your cursor on it, all right? Press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag and drop inside. That means these have contained what? My document file. Okay, I'll click out again. Then let's go with Excel files. This is an Excel spreadsheet file. Okay, because it is in XLXSX. So I'll click on each file once, press and hold on the left button of my mouse and drag it and drop inside the folder. Good, this one is done. Then this is the next one is PDF file. Okay, this and this are PDF files. Okay, the last one is PDF file in these categories. So I'll click on the first one, but this one is PDF file as well. Then I'll press and hold on the control key of my computer keyboard. So press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard as well, and then click on the second PDF file. All right. Then they are all selected. Release the pressure on the control key. Okay. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right. Once you get your cursor to any of them, any of these files that I selected now, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then you drag and drop into the folder. You can see. All right. So this one is a picture. So I don't want to have picture in my document folder. All right. I don't want to have picture there, though it's not a crime. But in this case, I want everything, every type of file to go with its type of folder. So I can click on this, or right click and select cut. All right. Then I'll click on pictures and then I will right click inside this empty space and select paste. All right, you can see I have moved that to the pictures section, major folder. So let me go back to my documents. Let's see something here. You can see now everything now is well organized. So this is how you organize files in Kali Linux. If you have different kinds of videos, for example, in the video folder, you can create different folders for it. Okay, organize them for easy access. That is all on how to organize your files on a Kali Linux PC. Okay, so if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you some other time.